Hey beauties, it's your girl Majesty Carrie. Thank you for coming back to tune in to another video. Today I have for you my DIY press on nails. They are non-acrylic, but baby girl, you won't be able to tell the difference. I'm telling you. The tools you need to achieve these gorgeous press on nails is a press on nail kit from Amazon. That's where I got it from. Comes in a clear case and it have little compartments in the case, to separate the different sizes of the nails, and you can choose which one you need. I like to keep some cotton swabs, different kinds, like the pads, the balls, and the cotton swab on hand just in case I need to clean something up when it comes to the makeup polish removal. I like to get both of the different glues. The big one I get from the beauty supply store. The smaller one I get from the other, press on nails you get from Walgreens. I like to make sure that I keep a nail file on hand as well because you gotta file the nails, gotta make them look good, girl. So it's got coarse and fine for the different nail types. One other item that I forgot to mention was the cuticle pusher. So with the cuticle pusher, that's good for your nails, so you can push back the cuticles and make the nail sit in there a little bit better. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just pushing back the cuticles, getting them ready for the nail. You gotta push them back and make sure that there's no flakes around. Basically, push them back and push them up so your nail can sit underneath. After pushing back the cuticles, I like to go ahead and file my nails on the sides because I don't like my real nail to be poking out on the sides of the false nails. That's not a good look. I want it to look like they come from the shop, so I gotta make sure I do like the shop. File a little bit on top so that it can be, kind of scruffy to keep the nail on there a lot longer. The, scruffy, you just scrub it up, scrub it up, scrub it up. Now it's time to choose which false nail fits my nail the best. So what I do is I like to try them on against the nail. Usually both, like if I'm doing both thumbs, I try both thumbs because you never know if one may be smaller than the other. I don't know if that's possible, but hey, it works for me. I don't know. Now it's time to glue the nails on. I like to take that first big nail, put that on my actual nail. And the skinny one, I like to put on the nail itself, the press on, and I put it in place. I'm sorry it went out of frame, but I like to put it in place and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. Just hold it in place on the sides, press it down, and make sure that it is straight. So when you turn your nail around, it won't look crooked. Tips are all on. You want to go ahead and check them, and then you want to grab the file because you want to file down the tip, you want to file down the sides, you want to file them, girl. You want to make sure they look good and to your liking. If you don't want to even keep them that shape, then you can cut them and you can shape them however you want. If you want to shape them into the stiletto nail, shape them to the stiletto nail. You want to keep them more coffin looking like I like mine. Keep them like mine. I like to keep them at the shape that they are. Sometimes I'll file them lower, depending on what it is that I want to go for. But this time I'm keeping them long. Now that we have all the nail files, we're gonna go in with the with this polish by Paparazzi and the color Cocolicious. I love this color. It's like a more natural, it's like a fall color if you ask me, but I like fall colors any time of the year, okay? Because that's just who I am. So what I do is I like to press the polish down at the bottom of the nail near the cuticles and get the most I guess drippage. I don't know. But yeah, I like to like press it down there first and then I pull it up to prevent streaking. So you won't get the streaks on your nails. I've noticed that, going to the shop, watching the nail tech do my nails and how they polish, I noticed how they were doing it. And I'm like, wow, okay, that's a neat technique. Let me try it. So ever since I've been trying that technique, my polish has been looking really good and it hasn't been streaky like it used to be. So yeah, I mean, I'm not saying that that is the correct way to do it because I didn't go to school for nails, but that's how I do it. That's how I seen them do it, and that's what I applied to myself. And yeah, it's been pretty good. It's been doing pretty good to me. So if you like it, try it. Here is the end result. I love them. The chocolate and gold nails. I enjoyed putting these together for you. If you enjoyed watching and you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified every time that I update a new video. And don't forget to comment and like the video. You can always hit me up on any of my handles at Majesty Carry anywhere on the web. Alright? So yeah, thank you beauties. See you in another video.